Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So we're gonna go over the latest skincare products that I've been using and liking, because if I don't like it, I'm not gonna tell you about it. I really like the latest set of products that I've been using, and let's just get right into this. Just a little quick background for the skincare. I'm 53, gonna be 54 in a couple of months. I never had Botox or fillers, so I really need products that are gonna work. As far as creams, etc. go, these products really do help with a lot of my fine lines, my wrinkles. Let's just get into this and talk about the great products I've been using. I hope I don't mispronounce these names. This is Erasa XEP 30. This is Extreme Line Lifting and Rejuvenation Concentrate. This was gifted to me and I looked into it. Every time I'm asked to try a skincare product, I've said this before, but I look into it first. I see if it's something that would benefit me. I always go to Our Story. I like to just know about the actual brand, and if I feel good about them, if I feel confident, then I'll try them out, and I did. So I said, sure, I'll try this out, and all of these products are at the end. They're almost there. Now, I'm not a dermatologist by any means. I'm just here to tell you what works for me and what I liked and what worked on my skin. This product is made to work on the deep, fine lines and wrinkles. Can read you the benefits. Reduce deep frown and expression lines, refine skin texture, even skin tone, brighten dark age spots, boost firmness. It did win a Best of Beauty with Allure. And I'm gonna tell you something, as far as the sunspots go, I've been really concentrating this on my sunspots here and here, and I'm gonna tell you, I really do feel that it faded a bit. I feel like my wrinkles did fade also. I mean, I am using other products, but I don't know, I think this helped a lot with my sunspots, my wrinkles. I really do, and I liked it. So thank you to them for letting me try it out, because I definitely think this is worth giving a try. It's a little more pricey, so that's up to you. I was also gifted some products by Murad, but I don't need to look into them because I know that I love their products. This is Cellular Hydration Serum. This is concentrated serum with hexapeptide 9, and that repairs the skin barrier in just 30 minutes at the cellular level. It also has refined bilberry seed oil, which provides essential fatty acids for healthy barriers, omega-3 and 6, and it's a network of hyaluronic acid molecules which forms a protective layer that continuously delivers water to the skin. That's almost empty. Loving that, using that night and day I have been. This is their Cellular Hydration Barrier Repair Sleeping Mask. It deeply hydrates your skin overnight to repair the dull, dry, rough skin, also at that cellular level. You wake up feeling refreshed. Like sometimes when you wake up after sleep, you feel a little dried out. I was still feeling nice and hydrated. And then we have the Cellular Repair Barrier Cream Moisturizer. And again, this also repairs skin at the cellular level so that it's not so dry. It repairs that if you have like some flaky, dry skin, and in the winter, we definitely have that, and that's a battle. So guys, I did not use a lot this time, and even for my eyes, I used all of what I just showed you around my eyes. I didn't use a separate eye cream. I don't know, I just wanted to like use what I had, and I am very satisfied with the way that my skin looks. I do have some exciting skincare coming. Actually, I have a lot of skincare products that I have to try out, and it's hard again with the skincare because I need to give it at least a month to try it. I know I have one set of skincare that I need to try. I didn't pick it up yet. It's in the mailbox, but I have to go get that. Then I have another one, but I'm not gonna tell you guys about that one yet because I don't wanna do it at the same time. I like to try one brand at a time. But anyway, this is a short video. I apologize. I don't have much. What else can I tell you about my skincare routine? I do, since I'm in the bathroom, I am in the bathroom here. Do you like this setup? I kind of like it. I always still use this. This is my red Nuovaluce. I don't know if I say it right, but I use this. I try to go for once a week. I'm not always so great at it, but I try. And then they have the other part, which I used to be so much better at this too. This like gives you instant, like as if you just got a facial. Like these, you gotta get these machines. I love them. Other items I did use in the past month, but I will admit not every night, just like, oh, okay, I'll do it, were these little Murad minis. This was a pore corrector, wrinkle corrector, and eye depuffer. I still had some in here, so when I remember, I'll put a little bit of that on, and I still use it, guys. I still use my L'Oreal collagen. Sorry, I don't use it. I haven't been using it with the Murad. I haven't felt the need to use this, so it kept me moisturized plenty, along with the Erasa. Erasa? I feel like Erasa? Is it Erasa? I feel bad. I'm sorry, guys. My New York accent. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, have a good one.